If you're committed to the frugal lifestyle and looking to ramp up your savings game this year, you're in the right place. We're diving into 20 expert tips designed for savvy frugalists who want to push their savings to the next level. Harness digital budgeting tools. Incorporate advanced budgeting apps and online financial tools into your routine. These platforms can analyze your spending patterns, suggest budgets, and even forecast future savings based on current habits. I diversify with side hustles. Explore side hustles that match your skill set. From freelance work online to local gigs, diversifying your income streams can significantly enhance your savings capacity. Advanced meal planning and prep. Elevate your meal, prepping by planning around sales and seasonal produce. Use apps to find recipes that maximize the use of bulk purchased or on sale ingredients, reducing waste and cost. Investing in long-term energy savings. Upgrade to energy-efficient appliances and consider home improvements like better insulation or solar panels. These changes can lead to substantial utility savings over time. Strategic tax planning. Stay informed about the latest tax changes. Utilize deductions, credits, and retirement account contributions to lower your taxable income, leading to significant savings. Tip 6 is sustainable gardening. Expand your home gardening to include vegetables, fruits, and herbs. Composting and rainwater harvesting can further reduce costs and increase the sustainability of your garden. DIY repairs and upcycling. Develop DIY skills for repairing and upcycling items. Online tutorials can teach you to fix everything from leaky faucets to malfunctioning electronics. Maximizing library memberships. Utilize all the resources your local library offers. Besides books, many libraries provide access to tools, seeds for gardening, and even free passes to local attractions. Commit to preventative health practices. Invest in a healthy lifestyle and preventative care to avoid high medical costs in the future. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and routine checkups are key. Insurance optimization. Annually review and adjust your insurance policies. Look for bundle deals, loyalty discounts, and ensure you're not over-insured or underinsured. Is hiving in the second-hand market. Become an expert in finding quality second-hand items. Learn the best times to shop at thrift stores, how to negotiate in online marketplaces, and even try bartering. Embracing a sustainable lifestyle. Adopt sustainable practices like reducing plastic use, making eco-friendly cleaning products, and minimizing energy consumption to save money and the environment. Intelligent and frugal travel. Become a savvy traveler. Use fair comparison tools, travel during off-peak seasons, and explore alternative accommodations like house-sitting or home exchanges. Home maintenance skills. Learn essential home maintenance skills. Regular upkeep can prevent costly repairs down the line. Utilize community workshops or online classes to build these skills. Leveraging cashback and rewards. Master the art of using cashback and reward programs effectively. Research the best credit card rewards for your spending habits and use cashback sites for online purchases. Smart bulk purchases and co-ops. Buy bulk wisely. Join or form a cooperative to get wholesale prices on groceries and household goods. Be strategic about what you buy in bulk to avoid waste. Rethinking transportation. Evaluate your transportation costs. If feasible, switch to more cost-effective methods like biking, public transit, or car-sharing services. Anticipating and implementing a 30-day purchase rule. Adopt a 30-day rule for non-essential purchases. Waiting before buying can reduce impulse purchases and help you decide if the item is truly necessary. Automate your savings journey. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account and increase the amount incrementally over time. Consider high-yield savings accounts or other low-risk investment options for your savings. Stay informed and adapt. Keep yourself updated with the latest in personal finance and frugality. Read blogs, listen to podcasts, and join online communities to stay informed about new strategies and tools. In 2024, frugal living is all about being smart, resourceful, and proactive. By incorporating these 20 tips, you'll not only see your savings grow, but also enjoy the journey towards financial independence. Remember, frugality isn't about sacrifice. It's about making smarter choices for a more secure and fulfilling future.